Welcome back to another Aquilus Getting Started video. In this video, we're going to learn how to create and update static secrets. A static secret is any key value pair. This can be any text-based information such as an API token, password, or other personally identifiable information, which is stored in its original format, which includes JSON, YAML, and more. Static secrets are generally updated on a not-so-frequent basis and are updated manually. Secrets can be created, updated, and fetched via the UI and Aquilus CLI, as well as scripts and automation tools. So let's go ahead and see how to do this from our UI as well as the CLI. So the first thing we want to do is head over to our console. And once you're logged in, simply click on New Static Secret. And here you can go ahead and create a static secret. We'll call it foo. And what we'll do is we will give it a location or a folder of dev. So it will be located in our dev folder. Now, the next thing we want to do here is check the type. There's generic as well as password options, and the password option will be covered in another video. So we're going to go ahead and click generic, go down to the value. We'll give it a value of bar and click finish. Once that's done, we see the new folder created for us. We go ahead and click on it, and we see our static secret. When we click on it, it opens here on the right side panel, and we have some options to view and update it. So let's go ahead and start by clicking on the eye icon. We can view the value, copy it to clipboard, and you can use this to paste it in. And we can also update the value as well. So if I want to update it, I click on that little icon, the pencil icon. I'll add 1, so the value is now bar 1, and make sure here to tick the keep previous version option. And then when I hit that check to save the value, it's now saved, and we have a new tab open here called versions. And here we see the original version. If I click on the eye, we see the original value is bar. The current version again is bar 1. So if I go back to versions and I want to, let's say, roll back this secret, I can go ahead and choose the restore option. So if I hit restore, it's now going to restore the previous version by creating a third version, which is then going to be the original version that we wanted, or whichever version you restored based on that restore option. So now if I go back here, click the eye icon, I now see the original value. So let's go ahead and see how this is done via the CLI. So now that we're in the CLI, all I need to do is start by running the command Aquilus create secret --name. And here we give the name of the secret. In this case, we're going to create it in a folder called DevOps, and the value and the secret name is going to be hello, and the value is going to be world. So if I go ahead and hit enter, it's going to create the new static secret for me. And we can verify that as well in the UI DevOps folder, and there is our static secret hello. Now, let's say I want to go ahead and fetch the secret value from the terminal. Run Aquilus get secret value --name with the path to the secret. And now I see the value is world. Next thing I want to do, as we did previously, let's go ahead and update that secret value. Running Aquilus update secret val with the name and the path to the secret, and the new value, in this case it'll be world 1, and make sure to have this flag keep previous version equals true. Hit enter. It's going to go ahead and update it for us, and we can confirm by running the same command we did before of getting the value, and we see we're getting the new value world 1. Now let's say we want to see some more details about the key, about the secret and the value. So if I go ahead and run Aquilus describe item with the name and the path to that secret, including the show versions flag. That way I can see previous versions as well. So we'll open up this nice file, this nice list of information, and it will show me that it's a static secret, a generic type, and it will show me the permissions, etc. And here we have the item versions. So here I have version 1 and version 2. So let's say I want to go ahead and get the value of the first version, version 1. So if I run Aquilus get secret value with the name of the secret, but then I add the flag version 1, it will go ahead and get world, which is the previous version of this value, the previous value of the secret. And if I want to go ahead and do what we did in the UI as well, roll back that secret, we can run a keyless rollback secret with the name as well as which version we want to roll back the value to. So I'm going to go ahead and roll it back to the previous version, version 1. And now if I just run a keyless get secret value minus minus name with the path without the version flag, it's going to give me that same value. We went back to the original value, and of course it created a third version for us. So that is a quick overview of how to create and update static secrets in the Akeelis UI as well as the CLI. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.